Okay, so here is a best ranch dressing homemade. All the ingredients are listed before, but they are half a cup of sour cream, a quarter cup of salt, a cup of mayonnaise, 1 garlic clove chopped and then made into a paste, and then you'll add your salt on top of that. You're going to do a quarter cup of flat leaf parsley. You're going to do 2 tablespoons of fresh dill minced. You're going to do 1 tablespoon of fresh chives. You're going to do 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. And funny thing is, other people call it Worcestershire or Worcestershire sauce. You're going to do half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of white vinegar, a quarter teaspoon of paprika. I use smoked paprika to add a little extra flavor to it. And then 1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a dash of hot sauce, and then anywhere from a quarter to a half a cup of buttermilk. So let's start. Here's all the seasoning, here's all the garlic, and we're just going to dump that right on in. Fine china again. Can't beat it. And then we're just going to mix it all together. God, it smells really good. So there, where we are right now, I'm going to add some Worcestershire sauce and a little bit of hot sauce. So there is our homemade ranch sauce, and boy is it good. Now I'm going to add a quarter cup of buttermilk. So I like this consistency right here. It's not too runny, it's not too thick, it's just about right. And then we're going to taste this and see where we're at, if we need to add anything else to it. Oh my God, that's really good. This is a good recipe to use. It's homemade ranch dressing. So I'm going to let this sit in the refrigerator for anywhere from an hour to 4 hours and let all those flavors combine before I attempt to serve it.